Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss if you want to be successful trader, what are the 10 parameters you should follow. So if you follow these 10 things, then definitely you will become a successful trader. The first and foremost thing is reading the financial news and select one stock for buy and one stock for sell. So the financial news you can read in the Money Control or any newspapers like Economic Times or Mint, and follow these newspapers or news channels like CNBC and or ET Now. So follow these channels and select a particular stock, one for buy call and one for sell call, because you don't know on that particular day. Based on the market trend, you can decide whether you want to select a buy stock or you want to select a sell stock. So if the market trend is positive, better to go with the buy option of the stock which you have chosen shortlisted. And if the market trend is negative, then you select a stock based on the news, so for the negative, for the selling purpose. So this is the first thing. And one more thing, if you are new to the market, don't trade from 9:15 the market opening to the 9:30. So in this period, the stock variation is too much, and it is very difficult to predict. Allow market to settle for some time, and then the behavior can be understood after 9:30. So better not to trade in this 9:15 to 9:30 zone. So if you trade, if you are new to the market, definitely you will lose money if you trade 9:15 to 9:30. So better observe only 9:15 to 9:30 the market how it is behaving, and then after that you can take the trade after 9:30. Initially, if you are confident, you can take it at 9:15 itself, but better to wait at 9:30 just to allow it to trade, to just to know the trend how it is behaving in the market. And one more thing is choosing the correct entry price of the stock based on the momentum indicators or any other indicators. So you need to entry right price. So that is very important if you want to, whether you want to sell a stock or buy a stock. Entry for that particular stock is very important. So if you want to buy a stock and the stock price is very high, and we don't know whether stock will go up or down, so you have to choose the entry price based on your risk and also based on the momentum indicators that will help you to entry the stock price. Okay. And also decide when to exit of that particular stock. So once you enter, and you have to decide when to exit um, based on your profit. So you decide before entering only how much profits you want to get from that particular stock and exit. Suppose if the invested 1 lakh, and if you want 5% of that 1 lakh, then wait for 5,000 and an exit. So you have to decide initially only when you want to exit. So percentage of the amount invested, so just decide 5% or 10%. So better to go with 5% initially. You just decide 5%, and once the stock reaches the 5% of your profit investment amount, then you can exit the particular stock and take the profit. And one more thing is, do not come with mindset of earning always profit. That means you entered some particular stock, you bought that stock, and you thought the stock will go up, but because of some news in the market or some trend, suddenly the change in the trend in the market, the stock is going down. So better to exit. So you have to take some time losses also. You should be prepared for that. So don't come with mindset always earning profits. So this is very important. So you need to know when to exit. So don't take more losses. So you just exit also, you need to have what is the limit. Like for profit you have the limit, for loss also you need to have the limit and exit. And you there are you can trade another day. So we don't know, uh, 100% may not be correct. Whenever you enter, 100% result may not come. So because stock market nobody can predict 100%. So that is the reason, whenever stock is going in other direction, better to exit and based on your risk. And respect the trend. So respect the trend means, if uh, the global markets in positive direction and also local our market Indian markets are in the positive direction, and better to select a particular stock which you thought it may going up based on the news or any other momentum indicators. So this will definitely help you to select a particular stock. And also, do not trade if you don't know the news of any stock. So you come into the market, you want to trade in a particular stock, but suddenly you changed, you want to trade in a different stock, but without reading any news. So this is the one mistake definitely most of the people will do. So you decided, you have gone through the news and you are confident about particular stock, better to do that stock. Don't change your mind suddenly without reading any news of that particular stock. So and always observe Nifty and also global market indices. So as I told you, the particular stock sometime it depends on the Nifty trend as well as global market trend. So if the Nifty is going down, even though positive news is there for the particular stock, the stock may come down. This may not be always true, but you should observe this Nifty graph also, so that it is useful. If the Nifty is going up and you are trying to, you can select the stock which you want to buy, and then definitely you will make the profit. And do not trade the stock for which a quarterly results are expected on that particular day. So the main reason why is, if you are 100% sure, then only trade that particular stock on the result day. Otherwise the variation is very too much, like 10% positive and 10% negative. Sometime it happens based on the news. So once the results are out, then give some time to read, go through each and every parameter of the result, and read the newspaper on the next day about the results. And better not to trade on that result next day also, we don't know how it behaves. So if you are 100% confident, only do the trading on that particular stock when results are expected. So all these, whatever I am giving suggestions, is based on my experience. Please consult your financial advisor before investing or anything. And this is the last and final, very most important thing: don't be always greedy. So you decided and come to the market with some particular amount of profit. So you achieved that in a once you do traded that stock, and don't enter again. So you decided today I want to make 5% profit. So if you are new to the market, better don't do uh, multiple trades. So do one trade and it is positive, okay, it goes in your direction, okay. And if it is negative and you're going another direction, and then you exit, so based on your risk. So before uh, you want to buy any stock or sell any stock, better to do paper trading and observe for 1 month, or based on your, so whether 1 month or 1 week. So and after that you just do real. So this will definitely will help you, paper trading will help you, whether you are taking a right decision or not, because whatever the decision you are taking may not be 100% always. So stock market nobody can predict 100%. that is sure. So then you can decide. So first day you predicted one stock to go up, enter what price you want to enter and what price you want to exit, and just decide how many percentage times you are successful. Suppose you have done for 10 days paper trading, and you should know how many days you are successful. So that will definitely will help you to take proper selection of a trade, and to make a successful trader. So I hope this video will help for you, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.